Beautiful position. Even though say hi to the camera. Hi. Hello. Hi. I'm also waiting for my roommate to come in so that we can do a few things together. But as of now, the room's a mess. Let me just show you all. Okay, so that's our shelf that we get, a common shelf for both of us. So we try to segregate it always, like one half is mine and the other half is hers. So this is how it is. And then here there were curtains which will be going for washing because it's been a year since they were washed. So yeah, I do get a good amount of sunlight from these curtains, from these windows. And then this is the mess. I'm trying to clean it up a little bit. The reason why we have put a bed sheet on our beds is because we don't want the beds to get dirty. So whatever dirt falls on the bed sheet and it can get washed away. And yeah, I'll be giving you all the updates about what is happening and things like that. Until then, keep on watching my vlog. I hope you're liking it. I'm not sure how it's going to work for me. And I'm all in a bun because I have to wash my hair after this. So I'll also show you what I carried for my hostel. Like if you really want to see that, just comment down below, okay? And I'll do a video, definitely, like for sure. And I'm wearing a mask. I've not removed the mask completely because I'm like, once I freshen up, that's when I'll remove the mask. I have partially cleaned my room. I still have to lay down my bed sheet, and apparently my roommate is going to get quarantined in a different room because we're not allowed to share the rooms for quarantine period. So that is the case, and this is how my room looks like. I have not sorted the cupboard yet. Probably I'll do it in a few days, like 1 or 2 days. I have an assignment submission to do, and I have to take bath first of all. I have to take bath and come back to a clean room. I'm going to sanitize the room a little bit because I came from outside and everything. I do have my sanitization spray with me. Well, I got these two sprays that I have. One is the Dettol one, which is the disinfectant spray, and the other one is the P-Safe for the bathroom cleaning and all. So I'm going to use this, sanitize the washroom and come, sanitize the room a little bit and come, and then take a bath and come back to a fresh room and quarantine here for 14 days.